All right, if you want to turn off all notifications on your Android phone, there's kind of two main ways to go about it: a one-click temporary solution and a more permanent option. Let's take a look at both. So the usual way, and honestly the easier way to handle this, is by using the Do Not Disturb mode. Swipe down from the top right corner to open Quick Settings, and swipe again if you don't see the full panel. Then, depending on your phone model, you'll either see a menu for Modes, which allows you to turn on Do Not Disturb, or if you're using something like a Samsung phone, you'll just see a dedicated button for Do Not Disturb. This is a good temporary solution because it can be quickly toggled on and off, and you can even customize the mode to adjust the notification filters, meaning which apps and contacts are still allowed to ping your phone, if any. Do Not Disturb can also be scheduled or turned on for a set duration, so if you just want peace and quiet for the next couple of hours, you can set it to automatically turn off after that. If you want to permanently turn off all notifications, we can do that too, but it's not exactly a one-click solution. We'll go to Settings, and from there, find Notifications. Then choose App Notifications, and if your phone has a filter like mine does, we'll set that to All Apps. Then you just go through the list of all the apps on your phone and disable the ones you don't want notifications from, either just some apps or all your apps. This could get a little tedious, but right now there is no one-click solution to disable all the notifications on Android. And that's how you turn off all the notifications. Click that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more easy guides like this.